In this video, I will demonstrate a simple method to make your Facebook Marketplace post shareable and how you can get your friends to share it. Firstly, you need to post your Marketplace item listing and share it on your own profile so that your friends can easily find it. You can access Marketplace through your phone or computer and navigate to the selling option. If you have already made a listing, sharing your item from the share button is an easy process. On the other hand, if you haven't created a listing yet, you can click on the Create a New Listing button and complete the process. For example, if you're trying to sell a TV, click on the Share button and then select where you wish to share your listing, either on your own profile or another friend's profile or group. Sharing the listing on your profile gives your friends direct access to it. If you want your friends to share your listing with their networks, ask them to go directly to your profile and select the Share button. By doing this, they can share your Marketplace listing with their circle, increasing its visibility.